second gear pull to fourth. That thing skipped. What's up, everybody? Welcome back again for another vlog. Today is just gonna be a quick one. Basically, well, I'm here in my garage, but I need to go switch back to my 93 tune because I'm running out of E. So I'm just gonna show everyone how you can tune your own car in your own garage. Let's get into the car because that's where most of the action is gonna be taken from. All right, so here we are in the car. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to tune it or retune it and all that stuff that you want to do if you want to recalibrate all your personal settings within your tune. Anyways, I was gonna do it somewhere else, but it looks like it's about to rain right now and my laptop is about to die, so I got that plugged into the wall right there. Damn. Real quick, what is bootmod3 and who is it from? So it's from Pro Tuning Freaks. I'm here on the website right now, and bear with me, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it's a tuning software that you can get for your BMW once you get it, if you're looking for more power and all that stuff. Basically what it does is it releases, well, more power, and it makes your BMW a hell of a lot freaking quicker than when you got it from factory. But yeah, so I mean, you got everything here, all the different ones that they can do right now for BMW. Like they got the new A90 for the Supra. Like I said, there's two ways of doing this. One is with the laptop, and the other one is using this here, which I don't have because I don't, you know, I'm not gonna buy this expensive agent Wi-Fi from them for 300 bucks. You can, it makes it easier and all this stuff. I just went on Amazon and just bought this. All you're gonna need is, if you're gonna do it the laptop way, is this and this BMW Ethernet cable, which is, as you can see, is only 18 bucks. And here it is right here. So basically one side, this side goes into the OBD2 port, and then the other side goes into your laptop, which is, yeah, that right there. So let me plug it in real quick and then we can get this on the road. Got one side plugged into this here, and I'm gonna plug this other one before you do any of this. Is when you go inside your car, make sure you turn it on, of course, onto the ignition on, and buckle your seat belt, because in the middle of you tuning, if you don't have your seatbelt on, your car will turn off. It's like BMW safe hazard, I guess. It's letting you know that, hey, I'm in the car, don't turn off on me. So buckle your seatbelt. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Once you get your license and all that stuff through your email, go ahead and go to the website, go to your credentials here, and just log in. Obviously I'm already connected because I got everything set up before the video, but this is the agent that you download separately to update. Pro Tuning Freaks does a really good job of updating these. Connection is up. That means good to go. Basically what you have here is your VIN. You gotta give them your VIN, right? Your VIN and all that stuff. You get you all connected. You'll just click here to update or download your agent. If you haven't already, go to your dashboard here, and it has all your, you know, all these things, all the stuff that you can monitor and all that stuff. And then you go to, once you buy your first one, like your first initial 600 bucks, you will get one free map. These stage zeros and all that stuff are free, I believe, but you do have one free, it comes with one map free. So what I mean is, you can get a stage 1 map, you can get a stage 2 map. I encourage anyone who buys this to pay the extra $100 to get all the ODS maps for free, or not for free, for $100, but all the ODS maps available to you for an extra 100 bucks. So worth it. So worth it. Of course, it doesn't take away from the point of you should custom tune your car, which is always a good deal, which you can do through bootmod3 also as well. You also got Diagnostics here. You can read trouble codes, adaptation reset, you know, and all that stuff. Exhaust valve actuation, active sound, you can enable, disable, all that stuff. So it's all this stuff is pretty cool. Okay, so anyways, let's go to tuning. Now what I like to do is I configure my stuff. If I'm lying in bed or whatever, I configure it through my phone, because you can also download the app on your phone. Configure every single thing on your phone that you want. What I mean is configure is you get like the Burble settings and, oops, wrong one. Stage 2, 93. You go to configure here. And then boom, right there. So you have, it's a little hard. I think, yeah, okay. So exhaust Burble. I mean, you can click on this here, custom. And it shows all this. You can, you know, duration, of course, is for how long you want it. Aggression is more to the left is more popcorn. More to the right is gunshot, bang bangs, and all that stuff. Like I said, on forums, there's a lot of people who likes to configure this the way they want it. It really is depending on the person. GTS startup roar on. Basically what that is when you start your car up, it hits the RPMs, it just kind of kicks it like boom, so it makes that, you know, that roar sort of feeling. Cold start cat heating is off for those who have angry neighbors. It won't be as loud as anymore, so when you start it off, it's just normal. I'll make a comparison video later on this, so I just turn it off. Cold start RPM is going to be OEM. You don't want to really mess with that. Pre-throttle T-map sensor, just OEM. Manifold T-map sensors OEM, because that's, you know, it's all OEM. Exhaust flap sport, I leave it on open, but I just disconnected the sensor through my exhaust, the mufflers, the tips anyways, so the sensors are disconnected. They're always open, but I just leave it on or open all the time. Speed limiter, I just turn it off. And Cadillac monitor CEL light, I just turn it off so I don't get the light, because I have catalyst downpipes. Okay, so this is the one that I like to configure on the most. Basically what we have here is boost by gear percent reduction. It really should be renamed boost torque percentage by gear reduction, because it really just limits torque. For those of you who like to play around with this, who do digs and all that stuff, I had it at 40 for first gear and then 30 for second. I was still gripping on stock tires, so I'm just gonna try it on 20 and 10%. 20 first gear, 10% second gear, and see if I hook that way, because 30 and 20 works well. If you're tuned first and second gear, usually it's spin city, you don't have any traction anyways. All that is just one configuration for one map. Usually it's about the same. Let me show you how fast it is to tune it. Lower than 1%. Please update. Oh, I guess they came out with another update, so I'm gonna have to update that. As this thing is downloading the new update and all that stuff, you're gonna have to, the first time you do this, you're probably gonna have to need a battery charger, just so your battery won't die on you. People say it takes about a long time, 10-15 minutes to unlock your DMA and all that stuff, but really, oh, it's already done. Really, it only took me about 8 minutes. It wasn't too bad actually. Once your DME is already unlocked and you're just switching tunes, it literally takes like 2 minutes, or maybe even, you know, shorter than that. It's really quick. All right, stage 2 and flash, yes, and confirm. Pro tuning freaks came a long way. Before, you had to send them in your DME or your ECU or whatever to have them crack it. Now you can just do it through their OBD support. It's crazy. It's so easy. So now right now it's saying download stage 2 93 octane map, or whatever map you choose, and then servers, and then just please wait. Now you do need an internet connection, but I think you can do this offline. I'm not sure. I believe you can download it on your computer and then just do it offline, but I'm connected, so I'm just gonna leave it. Anyways, vehicle identified, switching map, stage 2 93 octane, please wait. You get all these noise and all that stuff. Car's acting up. Don't worry about it, it's gonna clear soon. There he goes. Finishing up, and then that's it. So it's gonna say stage 2 93 octane, flash successful, please wait 5 seconds and then start the car. So let's, I believe it's 5 seconds, so let's just start it. So I still have the check engine light. That's nothing too worried about. I'm just gonna have to clear that out. There's also one more thing that I want to show you anyways before I go, is for the F80s and the, well, I'm just gonna say for the F82s, for the M4s at least, there's also a transmission tune for the GTS transmission flash. it's from the M4 GTS, so basically it clamps the clutch harder. It shifts crisper. It just feels overall better for more power and all that stuff. These clutches, I heard, can withstand up to 650 wheel. After that, you're probably gonna need a stage 2 or an upgraded clutch, but this here really helps. What else you got here before I go? It's really simple, all this stuff. So all this is recommended by pro tuning freaks and all that stuff. Like I said, Kerry Jordan or F8 DePaul, those are the main ones that I know that does a really hell of a good job. So check it out if you have a chance. Alright you guys, well thanks again for joining me for another vlog. Sorry it's been so short. It was just kind of straight to the point. I was gonna reflash to my stage 2 and get more gas anyway, so I might as well have showed you guys how to do this from bootmod3. Go check them out. 600 bucks. You can't go wrong. First mod, actually this is the second mod. The 2 package mod I would recommend is this and spark plugs. You're gonna have to gap your spark plugs you know, when you tune. So yeah, as you can see, I'm running out of gas. Check engine light is off and all that stuff. The only thing I do not like about it, sometimes you have to reconfigure your Sport Plus and your M1, M2 buttons. It's okay, minor. But if you like this video, go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe. I will be back soon to show you guys what I've been up to. So stay tuned for that. Peace.